Alright, so I thought this was another cool tool because you know how regular sockets you kind of have this and it basically blocks it so you have a long screw and it won't go through. But with this one, it doesn't matter because if it goes through, it totally can. And you just kind of put it right there. It doesn't matter how long the screw is. And you know, throwing rocks, you can put that bolt right through and you'll still. This is fun to try to show you this demonstration here. I didn't buy it on Amazon, but I can definitely vouch for you where, yeah, you can totally fit that. So find the right side here. And then go ahead and try it. That's it. Now, this guy on there. Isn't that cool? I mean, there's all kinds of ideas. Like, dude, so some guys probably like, dude, I can't use this socket because the bolt's too long. It keeps hitting it, so why not make it hollow? So you could totally use ratchets and not have to worry about a long bolt anyway. So I'll try to find this on Amazon and maybe link it for you. And that was a really cool tool just to have. And each tool is all different. Sometimes they work for certain things and sometimes they don't. But yes, you have to do it manually. Now, if you had somehow we could put this onto my drill, that would be really cool. So someone has to come up with that now, where you can just, you know, ratchet it from the side and be automated. Not automated, but you know, just press the trigger and it'll just come out. So, so someone invent that or something. All right, put that back in. And our thing is free of tools now. What's this stuff? Oh, okay, that's my cables in there. And the cables I just cut. Alright, thanks for watching.